Welcome back to the channel, Fat Boys. Hi, I'm Fat Boy Bob, and if this is your first time joining the channel, thank you. Thank you for clicking on this video. And make sure I want you to go ahead and hit that right down there. Right down there. Hit that little subscribe button. Thanks. All right, so I've had a couple people actually reach out to me asking how this seat works and how it fits and how they would rate it. So let's talk about this. Let's start with the positives. The positive of this seat. My first one is that it is a super plush seat. It is super comfortable. It is meant and designed to be super comfortable so that way you can go on those long hauls. You're constantly in comfort on top of this seat. It also comes with this scoop and then a little bit of an upkeep, and it actually kind of cups the butt in a way. So when you're sitting on it, your butt is actually going right inside there, and then because it's doing that, it's actually also giving you a little bit of lower mid back support without having to have the backrest on it. So in comparison to the stock seat, when I ended up getting the stock seat, I was able to go about 3 hours at the most before my ass was really starting to hurt and I'd have to call it quits for the day for riding. But now on this seat, I have gone over 12 hours of riding before my ass really starts to hurt, and then I can even push it out to a full 19 hours before I really have to start calling it quits. Another part of this that I really like about this seat is that it is a Mustang. So when you're purchasing this, you know it's super high quality. The craftsmanship of this is super nice. The stitching, I've never had any problems with. The installment has always been super nice and easy. It goes in every single time. There's no issues with it. The stitching stays nice and clean. The leather has stayed nice and clean even while being in the sun all the time. It works amazingly. Now getting into the little bit of critiquing, but it goes kind of with any seat, that when you're purchasing this, the plushness of this around the edges does start to wear just a little bit. So it can start to get just a little bit less supportive over the time of having it, but that's with any seat. So after 5 years or so, you're gonna maybe have to get another one, and it's only been about a year for me of having this. So I'm expecting about another 4 years, I might have to get another one, but it is worth absolutely every single cent when purchasing this seat. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoy it, please hit that thumbs button. It really helps out the channel. Make sure you also hit that subscribe button if you're new to this channel, or if you even keep coming back but you're not subscribed yet. I really do appreciate it. Make sure you also ring that bell notification. I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.